Hello and welcome to the Blackburn Mobile Home Ownership Program. We think that your interest in purchasing a home shows that you're a person that has your financial future in mind and that you also realize that buying a home is one of the smartest investments that you can make. There are very few things in this world as rewarding as becoming a proud homeowner, and we look forward to helping you achieve your dream of home ownership. So to start off, I think it's important that you understand the reasons why we are so excited to be offering this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to you, and why we feel that you too will share the same excitement once you understand all the wonderful benefits associated with our exclusive program. Now, it's plain and simple. We want to help you reach your American dream of home ownership. We have worked hard to put together this program to ensure that every person has a shot at reaching his or her dream of owning their very own home. Even if you've never thought you'd be able to own your own home, I promise that you'll be a believer by the end of this video. Now, after years of studying various mobile home communities, we have found that our communities greatly improve when we make the shift from renting to offering the option to buy to our residents. And we want to partner with you in making this shift. Now, I will tell you that this is an exclusive opportunity that we're only offering at Blackburn Mobile Home Park. You won't find this opportunity in any of the other communities here in Athens or the Huntsville area. Now, I will tell you that banks typically don't provide loans to folks on used mobile homes, especially loans with relatively low down payments, like the 10% that we're offering. We'll talk a little bit more about that down payment here in a couple slides. But we know that our residents deserve the opportunity to own their own home just like anybody else. This is only available because we are actually partnering with our residents at Blackburn to cultivate a beautiful environment for you and your family. And what does this mean for you? Well, we've negotiated with a financing company on your behalf and have been working behind the scenes for months to persuade a lender to provide the loans for our residents. And after many months of hard work, we have finally convinced 21st Mortgage Company to offer you some amazing and affordable terms. For many, this might be the first time that you've ever had the chance to become a homeowner. And so we hope that you take advantage of this opportunity while it lasts. Now I'd like to discuss the many different reasons why we feel that it's smart to buy now. First off, we want to help you stop wasting your hard-earned money on rent. When you're renting, you're already making a monthly payment towards a house. So what's the big problem? The answer is that every one of your dollars spent in rent are paid towards someone else's house, into someone else's pocket, and adding value to someone else's investment and not your own. When your lease ends and you move, you have nothing to show for the thousands of dollars you have spent while renting, and we want to change all that for you. And we're going to do that by offering easy-to-qualify financing. If you're someone that has a job, you pay your bills on time for the most part, and you have a very small down payment, chances are you will qualify. And you might ask, how low of a down payment are we talking about? Well, I can tell you that our program is at 10% for our used homes, the homes that are currently in Blackburn Mobile Home Park. And that means 10% of the purchase price of $15,000 is $1,500. And guess what? If you're already renting from us and have an existing security deposit, then we'll actually credit that toward your down payment. And our monthly payments are extremely low. In fact, they're as low as $447 per month, and that's lot rent, mortgage payment, and homeowners insurance. Now that $447, that's based on a $1,500 down payment at 7.25% interest rate. Our rates do range from 7.25% to 10.95% depending on your credit, your payment history, and also your job history. We want to help you create wealth by building equity in your home. Purchasing a home is one of the smartest investments that you can make, and by doing this, you're building wealth that would never be experienced by just renting. And now I'd like to dive deeper into the various reasons why buying is smarter than renting. Now, probably the biggest benefit to those who are already renting here in Blackburn Mobile Home Park is that your monthly payment to own will be lower than your current rent is. Yes, you heard me correctly. Your total monthly payment, including mortgage, lot rent, and homeowners insurance, will be less than the rent that you're currently paying today. Now, if this isn't reason enough, then let me please continue. Second, you're going to cut your monthly payment drastically after your loan payoff. Once your loan is paid off, your monthly obligation will be just lot rent. And at today's lot rent of $250, there aren't many habitable places in this country where one can live within a clean, safe, and quiet community for just $250 a month. You're going to be building stability. By owning versus renting, you're creating a solid financial foundation for your family. Owning your home allows you to take control of your monthly finances and do what's best for you and your family. And last but not least, owning your own home allows you the added benefits of creating your own personal touches to your home. Want to add a carport? Done. How about a shed? Go for it. Want to plant pretty flowers and landscaping? Have at it. In fact, we encourage you to make your home unique and one that you're proud to call your own. Now I'd like to discuss the money side of things and what your financing options are here at Blackburn Mobile Home Park. For all our existing homes, we are offering them at a very low purchase price of $15,000, which is actually below the current NADA value. We have a special financing partnership with 21st Mortgage Company, and we're offering interest rates as low as 7.25% for qualified buyers. The financing term for your loan is 10 years, but we have multiple simple options that we'll share with you in just a bit that will show you how to pay off your loan in as short as 6 years. The current down payment that we're requiring is a low 10%, or just $1,500 for our existing homes that we have here in our community. In case you didn't know, the typical conventional mortgage usually requires 20 to 30% down, and I tell you this only because I want you to realize that this really is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Here's a quick example so that you understand a little better. I'd like to share with you of what a typical purchase might look like for you here at Blackburn Mobile Home Park. Your loan amount will be $13,500. That's at 9.5% interest for 10 years, and that's assuming a $1,500 down payment based on a $15,000 purchase price. Your monthly mortgage payment would be $174.69, and your total monthly payment, including the lot rent, your insurance, and also the mortgage payment, is just $464.69. That is way cheaper than rent and much cheaper than you'd ever be able to own a home anywhere else in Alabama or the rest of the country. This truly is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. And now I'd like to speak with you about the opportunity to pay off your loan even faster than the 10 years. And so although 10 years is much shorter than even the shortest of mortgages, in case you didn't know, most conventional mortgages are 15, 20, even 30 years in length. And so 10 years is actually really attractive, okay? And so this loan program is incredible as it is. But let me show you how you can pay off your home even faster and save thousands of dollars of interest. By just paying a little extra each and every month towards your mortgage, you will save thousands in interest over the life of the loan, and you'll pay it off in record time. Just paying an extra $25 a month each and every month throughout the term of the loan, you're going to pay off your loan in 8 years and 2 months and save $1,560.14 in interest payments. So instead of 10 years, you're now paying it off in 8 years and 2 months, and you're saving over $1,500 in interest. Pay an extra $50 a month? Well, guess what? You're going to pay off that loan in 6 years and 10 months, and you're going to save over $2,500 in interest. Got an extra $75 a month? You're going to pay off that loan in a short 5 years and 11 months and save over $3,200 in interest. That's exciting, right? We're trying to make your monthly payment lower than what you currently pay in rent so that we can help you accelerate this pay down period, okay? This is a very simple and attractive program, and we know that it can work out in your favor. So by now, hopefully you're as excited as we are and can see all the benefits that come along with this great program. And so now I'd like to go through some of the basic requirements to see if our program might be a good fit for you. If you can answer yes to these first 4 questions and no to the 5th question, then you are a prime candidate for our program. First question, do you have steady income? If you can answer yes to that, then great. Second question, do you pay your bills and rent on time each and every month? If you answer yes to that one, even better. Do you have cash for the down payment? Remember, the down payment's only $1,500, and we will apply your existing security deposit or a portion of it towards that down payment. So do you have the cash for the down payment? If you can answer yes, we're on the right track. Do you have a 550 or higher credit rating? If you can answer yes to that 4th question, well then, man, we are just well on our way to making you a homeowner. And now the 5th and last question. Do you have any prior evictions, bankruptcies, repossessions, or foreclosures? If you can answer no to this question, then you are the prime candidate for our program. So now let me ask you this. Are you ready to stop throwing your hard-earned money away in rent and make the smart choice of becoming a homeowner? Great. Here's a quick walkthrough of our painless pre-approval and buying process. Step 1, you complete an application with our community manager. There's a $25 fee per applicant over the age of 18. Step 2, there's a very short 24 to 48 hour approval time frame to determine whether or not you're qualified. Step number 3, you're going to get an assigned account representative for 21st Mortgage that will work with you through the entire process. Step 4, you're going to go ahead and gather the requested documents for 21st Mortgage. These documents include things like pay stubs, W-2s, Social Security letters, etc. Step number 5, go ahead and get your final approval. And step number 6, we'll have an official closing where you become the proud new owner of your home. Now that we provided you a full overview of our great homeownership program, I only thought that it'd be fitting to share with you our vision for the future of the Blackburn Mobile Home Park. Now, if you're already a current resident, then I'm sure that you notice all the drastic improvements that we've been making. You can expect more of the same as time moves forward. We take great pride in our communities and are dedicated to cultivating a beautiful community that you and your family can be proud of. Some of the continued improvements to the community will be landscaping, road repair, a stricter policy for those who live within our community, bringing in new homes to fill the empty lots, among many others. In addition, we will be working side by side with our residents to identify other areas that could improve in order to enhance your living experience here at Blackburn Mobile Home Community. We are huge advocates in creating a tight-knit, family-friendly community, and will make this one of our many core values as we move forward. Safe, clean, and quiet? These are 3 words that we live by and will promise to you and your family if you choose to make the decision to become a homeowner here at Blackburn. Last but not least, our long-term goals here at Blackburn are to shift from a rental community to a resident-owned community where long-term neighbors become friends and who look out for one another. In this resident-owned environment, residents will own their own home and not just be renters who come and go every 12 months. Our vision is one of stability and pride as we work hard to move towards this mutually beneficial goal. So now that we've shared the great benefits of our program, I'd like to now answer some of the most common questions asked. Will my current security deposit be credited towards the down payment? Yes, absolutely. Depending on how much of a security deposit we are holding, you'll receive a credit for all but $250 of it. The $250 is retained as a lot security deposit. I have 0 credit history and I'm concerned that this will disqualify me. As long as you have steady income and you can display the ability to repay the loan, then a 0 credit history will not disqualify you. Can I have someone co-sign my loan so that I have a better chance of approval? Yes, the financing company will allow a co-signer to help you qualify for your loan. Can I move my home from the community prior to my loan being paid off? No, your home must remain on the same lot within the same community until you have paid your loan off in full. After that point in time, you're more than welcome to move your home anywhere you'd like. If I don't qualify to purchase but want to keep renting the home, will Blackburn allow me to continue as a tenant? Now, although our goal is to turn Blackburn into a resident-owned community, we will still honor those who have leases in place that don't have an interest in becoming a homeowner. Can I use my tax return as a source of my down payment? Yes, absolutely. Your tax return can be used towards your down payment. What if I decide to move before I pay off my loan? Well, because you are building equity each month that you own the home, you will be able to sell your home and use your profit however you wish. Blackburn will be happy to help you walk through the process if you need assistance in selling your home. Now, I hope you enjoyed the presentation. You found the necessary information for you to make an educated decision. If you'd like to start on the pre-approval process, please schedule a time with our community manager to get started on your path to homeownership. We look forward to a long, prosperous relationship together.